Mga Pomeda, for Kinatuan, we have Nabarosa, Natividad, Nadate, Anggorin, and Nalayo. Balon Japol. Balon Japol between Ropa and Nabarosa. Up by Nabarosa. Recovered by Ropa. Ropa to Pomeda. Pomeda to jersey number 11 for 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 4 Anggorin. To Nalayog. 7. Nabarosa. Pump. Yes. First basket. Kinatuan. Courtesy of Nabarosa. 11. To jersey number 11. Strong. Rebound by Anggorin. Pasang bola kay Nalayog, jersey number 7, naras by Pomeda. To jersey number 20 to. Pinay kay number 7, Nalayog, 3. Bawi, Singay, Bukid. Ubos na ka. Yes, for 2. Nadate, ito na lang yung 6 minutes and 51 remaining for the first. Numero 7, ito numero 4, 15 shot clock. Ito doble dos. Nabarosa, 10 shot clock, short. Rebound by Pomeda. 30. Drop, logod, Anggorin. Ito na lang yung jersey number 7. To Natividad, intercept by jersey number 11. To numero 11, small, to Pomeda. Yes, score 2. Score, 5 against 4. 1 point lead by Kinatuan. 6 minutes and 5 seconds remaining for the first. Nalayog. To Anggorin. To number 23, Natividad, no good, rebound ni Pomeda. Same ball. 5:56 remaining time. Anggorin, 14 shot clock. Nabarosa, picking 3. Yes. Nabarosa, 3. 8 against 4. Bawi. Strong. Same ball. 5 minutes and 38 seconds remaining. Roba to Pomeda. For 3. No good. One rebound. 18 turnaround shot. Bingo! Roba, number 18. Score is 6 against 8. 2 point lead for Kinatuan. Anggorin, strong. Rebound by jersey number 11. To 11 small. No good. Rebound ni Anggorin. Pinasa kay doble dos na dati. Nabarosa. No good. Rebound by Ropa number 11. To Pomeda. Bumangga. Yes. Basket. It's a deadlock. 8-all.
Lista niyo si Troy.
4 minutes and 40. 15 to shoot. Kaipit. Foul on jersey number 10, Ropa. First personal, first team foul. Back to 14, shot clock. Kinatuan. Anggorin, no good. Rebound Ropa. Pomeda. Now pass to number 11, small Ropa. To number 11. Sa kabilang bola. 4 minutes, 23 seconds remaining time. Nadate. against Pomeda. Running shot. Yes. 4-2. Ropa Small. Binigay numero 30 Pomeda. To number 11. 15 to shoot. Pomeda. To Ropa. Fake. 3 seconds violation. 3 minutes and 51 seconds for the first quarter. Same ball. Nalayo. Tono dati. Tinapay kay jersey number 23. Strong. Rebound by Ropa. Number 11. To Pomeda. Number 30. To Ropa. Big. No good. Again. Pomeda. Pinaway shot. So. Atas 1. 10 all. Navarosa. Drive. Basket. 3 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. Pomeda. 50 to shoot. Rupa. Tumira. Yes. Pasok rin. Patas ulit. 12 all. Ang higpit ng laban. Reserve substitution for Ginatuan. 2 minutes and 45 remaining time.
Okay.
Substitution rep. Top 42 remaining. Anggorin, 15 to shoot. Nasyon, 4-2. 14 against 12. 2-point lead for Ginatuan with 2 minutes and 30 remaining. Nice defense by Nanate. To numero 8. No good. 14. Big. Bump. Yes. Nadali. 16-12. 4-point lead Ginatuan. Pomeda. Taropa Small. Binigay kay 11. 15 shot clock. Pomeda. Side step. Yes. 1 minute 50 seconds remaining. Labarusa. Aras by Ropa. 15 to shoot, yung shot, malakas. Rebound number 11, naipit. Binigay kay number 10, Ropa, tinapi kay Pomeda. Jersey number 30, lace up. Basket. It's a tie, 16 all, 1-5 remaining.
Malis, naman.
Nadate. Tonasyon. 15 shot clock. No good. Yes. Pumasok. Natividad. For the bonus. No good. Rebound by number 18 Rupa. To number 11. 11. To Pomeda. My whistle. Pomeda on the line for 2 charity shot. First try. Pumasok.
Ayun, pera.
Last throw, 61 seconds remaining. No good. Another rebound. Ropa, 14 shot clock. To Pomeda. 10 to shoot. Yes. Basket. 18 against 19. Singayubos. 1 point lead. 42 seconds remaining. Navarosa. Ton Anggorin. No good. Rebound by number 18. To Pomeda. 34 seconds. Yes.
Good job.
May long neck ako doon na.
28 seconds remaining. Nasyon. To Navarosa. Big 3. No good.
Nice.
Na. Para sa Singay. Ubos. 10 seconds.
Gusto nga.
4-3. 5 last goal.